Okay guys, so doing a little upload on the channel, you know, to my little 8 subscribers, but I haven't put any videos up in a while, and that's because I haven't had me a Ford. Had me a Chevy and a Dodge the past few months, and I finally got me another Ford, so I'm gonna be back on the channel. I got it running right now, just letting it warm up. Get ready to take it on a drive. It's a single cab long bed. It's got some nice looking rims on it. It's got the inline 6 in it. I'll show you that real quick. Let me put y'all down. Okay, so inline 6. K&N air system all the way through. That's about it. Yeah, but nothing fancy. Just plain old little truck. XL model. F-150. It's got upgraded Pioneer sound system in it. A red interior, you know. Best interior ever. Just kidding. I don't really like the red. I'm not a fan of it. I would like to have maybe the khaki or something. It's got 236,000 miles on it. Kenwood radio. But XL model, regular bass, crank everything. No power or anything. It's got some exhaust system on it. Duals. I don't know what this is. I don't know what brand it is. I guess it's smoking a little bit, but that's because it's just rain. Got it loaded up, about to take some stuff across the bay. Okay guys, sorry about that. But I'm gonna set y'all up here and let y'all have a little listen to this exhaust system. Nothing special, just a little exhaust. Not super loud, but for the inline 6, it sounds pretty good. Now, I guess I'll tell y'all what I plan on doing to the truck. I'm gonna get me some smoke tail lights to replace those factory because they don't look that great to me. Then I'm gonna take and get some halo lights. See, this is just got to come out. Not as bad on this side, but it's still loose. I think I'm gonna get me some different rims. Probably get me some black bullet hole fuels or something. Then I'm gonna be getting the truck repainted. I'm gonna be either doing it back red, or I'll be doing it that like tealish green, white, and then like up on here and down here and up. Then do this middle part between the two, that white. Came with the toolbox in it. Body's pretty straight. Both sides. Not many dents. There's one really bad one right there. But other than that, body's pretty decent. But nice tires. I'm gonna go set this up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm inside the truck. I'm gonna just give y'all a little listen to the sound system to see how it goes.
9 to 5 with bills and pressure piled up to the sky. She never asked, she knew I'd been hanging with my wilder friends, looking for some other way to fly.
Yeah guys, nothing fancy. It's got the Pioneer system in it, which is a pretty decent system. It's got these little underglow lights. They would work better, but I got the light on, so you're not going to be able to see how it actually looks. AC blows good. No cold. I'm gonna just turn that off because I don't need it right now. Cranks. You know, you'd think cranks, they probably won't ever go out. The crank windows actually will go off. They'll come off the track. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here, just doing a little update what's happened. Why I haven't been uploading videos, if you even watch them. But I'll see you guys later in the next one. Have a great day, night, wherever it is for you.